soft, full glam look. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Desi, and today I'm going to be doing a full face soft glam makeup look. I did this makeup the other day for a photo shoot, and I knew I had to make a video about this because it's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just going to jump right in because I've been procrastinating for a little. So I haven't done any of my skincare yet. I just washed my face, and I'm actually going to be using some Aquaphor. I should probably spray my face first. I'm going to use a facial toner. It's a rose water from Trader Joe's. And then with the Aquaphor, I absolutely love this. For an under eye cream moisturizer, helps prevent wrinkles. I'm gonna go in with two primers. First, this one is the Melon Melt. I've heard that it's like the glow serum. This is for my pores. I'm putting this all around my T-zone and under my eyes a little bit. So my forehead, anywhere I have like some texture, which literally breaking out on the sides, so everywhere. I'm using this eyebrow pencil from SHEGLAM. It is just like a brown color. And I keep up my eyebrow shape already, so I'll just go ahead and like line the eyebrow. Now I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. I'm going to use this Conceal and Perfect Long Wear concealer from Milani, and this is the one that I'm going to be using for my under eyes and my face as well. Oops. And I'm just making a line under, oopsies, under my eyebrow. I went a little too high on that one. It's so strange because when I turn on this light, oh, I guess it's not doing it. On my camera, when I use this light, it like, you can see the light waves on the camera. It's so strange. All right. Concealing the eyebrows. Perfect. I'm gonna blend out the top and blend out the bottom with my finger. I'm going to apply a thin layer of mascara. This is the L'Oreal Jet Set Mascara. So while that's drying, I'm gonna apply a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm going to use this little brown color in the bottom. This is from from SHEGLAM. And I really like this little palette just to like throw in my bag, honestly. I'm doing this a little bit backwards, but I'll do this part first. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on this one. This helps like define the eyes more. I'm gonna do a nice wing. So I got these eyelashes on. I'm going to be using the SHEGLAM Complexion Pro Foundation. I don't even use a full pump of this, so I'm going to use like half a pump. I'm going to rub it in with my hands. The warmth on my hands just helps the makeup go in better. And I think I save a lot of product this way because I barely used anything. And that is the trick to this makeup look, is to not use too much makeup. Use just a little bit more. Just to give a little bit of a fuller coverage in those areas. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and again, this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is going to be right under my eyes right here. Notice where I'm putting the product. It's all in this area here. It's also important that this is a lighter concealer, slightly lighter than you might go. I'll put a dot here actually, I forgot to do that, for a little facelift. So all along the nose, this is where I had a piercing, all along the nose, in the inner corner, and under the eye. But not sweep across the eye like that, more like patting it in this area. Now this part is very important. I want to make sure that there is no creases, so I'll continue to pat a bit, and then I'm going in with my setting powder. You can use whichever one you'd like. So this is in a bubblegum color, I believe, from SHEGLAM, and I'm going to put the excess on my hand and then just put this all under. I'm gonna put the powder exactly where I put the concealer. Now I'm gonna finish with the rest of my concealer. It's just so time sensitive with the under eyes to avoid the creases, so that is why I did that then. And oh, that looks pretty. I'll put a little heart here. So same thing over here. I'm gonna blend this in with my finger. I do get shiny like right here, and it's so strange, and it's like not the look that I'm going for. I'm gonna rub this little pad in here. So this, I'm gonna add it only to like the high points, like high cheekbone area, and then the corners of my face, and along my chin, and then under my nose like this. Looks like a little heart. Alright, and then I'm gonna grab this brush, and I'm gonna work the product into my skin. Also, since these are cream products, it's important to work pretty fast, because you don't want it to start to like look weird on your skin like that. That's why sometimes I like to do it in sections, so I'm not rushing, and it's not like taking off my makeup like it just did right there. I really like how this like defines my jaw right here, and I love the bronzed look. It looks really good into photos too, and this helps like slim your face a lot. See the difference? Like that looks so good. I'm gonna mess up all those baby hairs right there. This is where I'm gonna call in my beauty blender. Hopefully it can, yeah, that looks great. So cute. This is like essential to the look also. I'm gonna go in with blush, which is one of my favorite steps. This is gonna go on my nose, on my cheeks, and on my chin. Go again. I'm going for a flushed look. On the chin, it just helps you look a little healthy. Whatever's in the back, I'm gonna put it up here. And then the nose, just up the bridge, and a little on the side. I'm going to use this contour stick again. Do this kind of thing. I'm also going to go back into this powder here. I'm going to go along here. This helps the contour a bit. A lot of powder, just that went everywhere. Thought I had a better brush for this, but I'm literally going to use this right here. that same color that we used, I will drag it on my lash line a bit. There we go. I'm going to brush off all this powder that I still have on me. I always end up layering this blush too. And it's just so pretty and very, very buildable. There we go. That was the look I wanted. Now I'm gonna do some highlight. This is another SHEGLAM product. This is not sponsored by SHEGLAM. So cute. It's a SHEGLAM highlighter stick. And a little bit right here. I'm going to put this one, also from SHEGLAM, in the center. Cute. This is a Wet n Wild little shimmer gloss. Looks kind of strange when I first put it on. It's actually gorgeous. This is Desi's soft full glam look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. I had it on my mind for the last couple days, and I really wanted to get this out for you guys as soon as possible. If you guys want to see more makeup videos, please like this video and comment down below more makeup videos. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I'll definitely get back to you.